Kubor nagaslem jong Nongsaiñ Hima. Manom tut kekam kejam emar kejingrom biang ke boarding. One shaka orange electrical lom sopo Nongsaiñ nagabenta ki diesel generator.
Mawkyrduk kemudian Southwest Khasi Hills kalong kabopau kamtam jingmut yagi Mawbynna. Kani ke jaka kadon ya kata ke monolith heritage site pada Sngi U Blei Myntri Rangbah Conrad K Sangma leit jngoh yakni ke jaka. Hindrai kini ki Mawbynna Mawkyrduk kidon ke jingmut uwei Rangbah na kani ke thai ulai ya ke jingbatai hakmat Conrad ba kenhon jong halor ke jingmut jong kini ki Mawbynna.
Just to brief you about this place, actually this is the beginning of Hima Kingdom. Before this kingdom was ruled by five clans. It was ruled by a priest actually. So if you see over there, there's one stone, we used to call that a judgment stone because there was no ruler. And this place used to be a market. And there was some notorious person during those days, and those clans, they could not take judgment on him. So they have to go to Hima to get a representative from there to judge over that act. And he was proved guilty. And how they did it, they have to offer sacrifice, and then that person has to jump over that stone. So if he can jump, then he is innocent. If he cannot, then he is guilty. So because of that, he could not jump, so he's guilty, and then he was like kind of sentenced to death. And from that time on, they realized that they need a king to rule this Hima. As of now, we have 181 villages under this kingship, and that's how it begins. And this monolith here, when we conceptualize it, it was meant these monoliths represent the 15 kings who have ruled this Hima. And now we have the 16th.
Kani kalong kasien ka baar bu Myntri Rangbah leit Mawkyrduk kasien ka baningkong ka bula leit kalong hau banai rempang mentau snem. Nagaliang Conrad ula penpana bu sarkar kan penwandur tmai ki kam jngoh Kaei perthai hagani ke district. Khamashwa Conrad ula penyesriem yakini ki Mawbynna Mawkyrduk ki Stonehenge ki badan United Kingdom.
That many of the road projects that have been mentioned out here, I think MLA has really worked very hard, and he has been continuously pushing us to take up most of the roads. Of course, it's not possible for us to take up everything in one go, but a lot of road projects have been taken up in the district. I think you must be aware. Number two, of course, the issue of the 100-bedded hospital is something that I was mentioning earlier also to the press friends, that we will be ensuring that it is done at the earliest. Health is a very important sector for us, keeping in mind the COVID situation. So therefore, this hospital here is a priority for us, and it will be our endeavor to ensure that we try to finish it in the next, within this financial year, or maximum another 7 to 8 months is what we're targeting. So from our side, there will not be any issue in this. This is a priority for us, and I can assure you that we'll take it up. I have mainly come here for tourism purpose to really see, because we feel that there's a lot of scope for tourism where people and especially local people can benefit. So this happens to be one location. We'll be developing a full circuit out here. It may not happen in one go, but we're preparing the master plan on how the tourism strategy should be. And then depending on that, we'll be investing. This year itself, we'll be starting some of the projects, and we'll continue for the next 2 to 3 years.